Namaste. We are Team Leo. Our topic is self-attendance AI system. These are our team members. We are from SHRI Kendriya Vidyalaya Washim. Introduction. Attendance taking is an essential part of school management. Manual attendance takes time. Manual attendance takes time and can cause error or misuse. Our AI-based system automates attendance using face recognition. It saves time, increases accuracy, and instantly updates teachers. Problem statement. Manual attendance is time-consuming and inefficient. Teachers spend valuable class time making presents. There is risk of proxy attendance or missing record. Lack of real-time information for teachers and administrators. Causes and effect. Cause. Traditional paper-based system. No digital integration. Lack of system tool for schools. Effect. Reduce teaching time, errors in data recording. Difficult to track daily or monthly attendance, poor communication between teacher and administration. Our solution is AI-powered face recognition system. Identify each student automatically. Camera scans the class and updates attendance itself. Data is stored digitally and accessible to teachers and admins. Notification sent to the teachers for absentees. Secure and fast process, reducing manual effort. Benefit and impacts. Accurate and real-time attendance updates. Saves classroom time and paper. Prevent proxy attendance. Easier report generation for teachers. Easy report generation for teachers. Encourage use of AI and digital technology in education. Conclusion and future vision. Our system brings automation and transparency to the school attendance. Future goals: integrate with school apps and parent notification. Team Leo NP as a smarter AI-driven education environment. Smarter system, smarter classroom. Thank you.